following impact. A tornado warning remains in effect for eastern Henderson, northwestern Davis, and extreme northwestern McLean counties. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of St. Joseph and moving at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The rotation has weakened. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stemley. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Davis, Henderson, and McLean.